This is the KiSS GelPRESS starter kit. This is a new product that they came out with. It mentions pre-sculpted gel nail extensions, up to 21 days of wear. On the side of the box you can see a few steps of the application. And on the back of the box you can see all the items that are included in this kit. So let's go ahead and unbox it so we can see exactly what it is. We have the instructions, very important to follow all the proper process that they recommend. Next we have a file with double side, and the white side is going to be the one that is going to be used to prepare your natural nail. Next we have a small wooden cuticle pusher. The next item here is the primer. The primer will help with the adhesion of the nail tips onto your natural nail to make them last longer. And this is the actual gel that we're going to be using to glue our nails under the UV lamp. And the consistency of this gel is actually on the thicker side, which is good because we don't want a runny gel when applying full cover nail tips. Next we have the mini UV lamp. It comes with an external USB cable. The mini UV lamp has 3 little lights underneath, and it has a switch on and off button. Next we have the nail tips. They are a square shape and coffin shape, and they are including 28 pieces for each shape, and these are clear nail tips. And this is how these nails are looking, guys. More flexible towards the cuticle area, more sturdy towards the free edge. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and pick my sizes. I always like to make sure that the nails fit me from sidewall to sidewall. That will be the widest part of your nail, and it has to fit comfortable, not too tight or not too big, overlapping on your skin or your cuticle area. And if you are between sizes, just go for the bigger one and customize it with a file, because if you go for the smaller size, you're gonna have to force it down and it's gonna be too tight on your natural nail, and it will give you issues like popping off before time. I just finished selecting all my sizes, and I wanted to show you guys how these nails react when you squeeze them, because they are made of plastic and they won't come back into place. So I wanted to compare them to gel nail tips that I have from Temu, and you will see how these gel tips react differently. I mean, once you apply these nails, nobody knows what they're made of, you know what I mean? Like, you will paint and decorate and nobody will know. But for sure, gel nail tips will feel more comfortable on your natural nail. And as you can see here, there's a big difference. Let's move on to the natural nail prep. First, we're going to be pushing our cuticle. And then we're gonna be removing the shine from our natural nails with the provided file. This is gonna be a very light filing to avoid damaging your natural nail. Next, we have to wipe all the dust with alcohol and to further dehydrate our natural nails. Okay guys, so the next step is to prepare our artificial nails for application. By the way, today I'm gonna be using this peel-off paste gel from Macar and this cable to extend the cable that came with the lamp because it was really short. So to prepare the artificial nail tips, we're gonna be using the primer and apply a layer inside the nail tip and let it stand there for 2 minutes to dry. As well, the same primer, we're gonna be applying it on our natural nails and avoiding to touch the skin. Now I'm ready to apply my nail tips and I set up everything in a way that I'm comfortable. Because I'm applying the nail tips to my left hand, I like to put the tips on the right so I'm able to reach it easy, and the gel as well. And then I'm gonna be applying a thick layer inside the nail tip, making sure that you are covering all the way to the cuticle area. And I will lower this at a 45-degree angle near the cuticle area. I will avoid bubbles if possible. And then I'm going to be flash curing this for 5 seconds according to the instructions, because in that way it will give you time to remove any spillage if you have any. I'll demonstrate here now. Then complete curing for 1 minute and repeat the same step for all your nails. And this is how the nails are looking so far, guys. At this point, it's up to you what you wanna do. If you wanna trim them shorter or reshape them differently, this is the time for this. You can choose to buff the shine from the nail tip, guys, if you like, but the instructions don't mention this step. I'm just demonstrating one nail here, but I'm not gonna do all of them. And this is how the nails are looking so far, guys. I really like this reflective glitter from Born Pretty. I'm going to create a design that I've seen around the internet. It's like a cluster of rhinestones at the tip of the nails. I really like that, so I wanted to try it. And I'm gonna be using the adhesive gel as a rhinestone glue. And this is it, guys. This is the end of the video. These nails came out really nice. And my final thoughts about this KiSS kit is that they could use better quality tips and at least increase the quantity as well. Plus the UV lamp could use a sensor instead of a push on and off button. And I do like the gel adhesive and that they included a primer as well. As well, they should have included an alcohol pad since that was one of their steps into the prep process. And the only convenience that I do see for this kit is that you just can go to Walmart and grab it. But for moms trying to do their nails at home, this is not really that affordable, to be honest. It's just easier just to grab some press-ons and glue it on, and that's it. Thank you to everyone who stayed until the end of the video if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.